Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the emails of your leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And so for that, we need to go on my computer. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And now if I want to find some leads, I need to go here in lead filters. Then on the left, I can make a search. So for example, let's say that I want to have the emails of people who are head of sales in the US. So I click on include, and then the company headcount is between 200 to 500 people. So with these three filters, you see that we have a bit more than 1,000 leads. And if we check our leads, we have people who are head of sales in the US. So we have head of sales in the New Jersey, we have head of sales in Minneapolis and Austin and so on. So that's perfect. And now if you want to have the emails of your leads, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need a tool like GiveMeLeads to export your leads and get their verified emails. So if you want to have the emails of your leads, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you have a link in the description. Then on this page, you click on Start for free, you create your account, and then you install the Chrome extension. And then when you go on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you will see a button like this one, Extract Leads. So it's from GiveMeLeads. So once you're happy with your search and you want to export these people and get their verified emails, all you need to do is to click on Extract Leads. Then you are redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Here you can give the number of people you want to export. So let's say just for this tutorial, 100. And here you have find emails. So it means that GiveMeLeads will search the emails of these people here on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So let's go back on GiveMeLeads. Then I click on Export Leads. And now I just need to wait a few minutes and I will get my export with my leads and the verified emails. All right, so as you can see, after 27 seconds, my export is done. And now if I want to see my list of leads, I click on download, then download CSV. So here is my list of leads. If I scroll, you see that I have 100 leads, which is perfect. On top, you have all the information you need to reach out to your leads. For example, you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, and of course, you have the verified emails of your leads. So when it's verified, it means that it's completely safe for your email accounts to send an email to the lead. Then you have the job title, location, and actually much more information. For example, you have the company name, company website, useful if you want to personalize your cold emails, and company location, and so on. So when you export your leads with GiveMeLeads, we do two things. First, we make sure that the data is clean. For example, for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters, and you don't have emojis in the first name, for example. So here you don't have Joe with a rocket emoji at the end. So with this feature, you don't waste your time to manually clean the data because GiveMeLeads does it for you. And then the second thing we do is to make sure that your leads match your filters. So you see on the left that we have two columns here. So we have matches filters and invalid reason. And when it's true here, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you will see that some people have false. For example, here, false. And the reason is the job title, so wrong job title. And if we check the job title, yeah, we have someone who is sales manager. And basically here, we want only people who are head of sales. So with these two columns here, you can decide to either keep the lead because it's still relevant, or just decide to remove it from your lead list. But at least with this feature, you don't need to double check if each lead perfectly matches all your filters because GiveMeLeads checks everything for you. And now what you can do with this file is basically to upload it in your favorite outreach tool instantly, for example. So this is how you can get the emails of your leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator search. If you want to try GiveMeLeads, you have a link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find B2B leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.